Hi 5K, I hope you're having a good morning so far. Let's rock our math meeting today. Ready? How many days are there in a week? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days in a week. Let's do the song. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Woo! 7 days. What day is today? Do you know off the top of your head what day today is? I'll give you a hint. Tomorrow is Thursday. If tomorrow is Thursday, do you know what that makes today? If this is the tomorrow, yeah, today is Wednesday. Say, today is Wednesday. Very good. Let's move on to our months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? There are 12 months in the year. That's correct. Let's stand up on the ground and you can do the song and the dance that we do to remember the months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job, 5K. Thanks for doing that with me. That means that today, what month are we in today? Do you know? Or remember? October. That's right. This one here. So, speaking of October, what day are we in October? Let's count to find out. This is yesterday, so we'll count to find out today. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. Today is October 7th. 7th. That's how you say it. So, if for our pattern for the day, shape of the day today, what do you think the shape of the day is going to be? If let's say the shape we have so far. Ready? With me. Rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle. What do you think today is? This pattern is going to start over. So what's at the beginning of this pattern? Yeah, a rectangle. And this is a special shape today because we talk about rectangles in math today. So, or yesterday we talked about rectangles for the first time. So today we have a rectangle 7, isn't that right? That is today, Wednesday the 7th. So let's write our date. Now that we know that it's the 7th, let's grab our whiteboards or a piece of paper or whatever you have available, and we'll write our date for today. What comes first when we write our date? Yep, the month always comes first. So we write the big long word October. Here we go. First letter in October, do you remember? Is an O. That's right, capitalized O, and it's capitalized because it's a special word. So the first letter is capitalized. So you have to touch the top and the bottom lines when you make your capitalized O. Next, after the O, O for a. What letter makes sound? Yep, a C. So lowercase c comes next. You'll touch vanilla and the bottom line. So we have O, C. Can you tell what letter this is? It makes a sound. Yep, it's T. And our T's go down and cross on vanilla. Just like that. O. This letter makes the O sound. And it's an O, right? It's the second O in October. And this one is lowercase, with a small o. So you're just going to touch the vanilla and the bottom line for your second O. All right, we have O, C, P, O. This letter makes a b sound. Yep, it's P. And P, we make a line from top down and a belly to the right, right? So touch both of those lines and a belly to the right for our B. So we have A, O, B, Two letters make the sound. Yep, ER. So go ahead and put ER at the end of October. You can make a line in the middle and go around. And then your last R is just a line with a little hook. October, very good, boys and girls. What comes next after we have our month? Yeah, our date, our number of days, which we said earlier is a 7. Yeah, October 7th. And to make a 7, you slide to the right and slant on down. Right. And what can we not forget when we write the date? After we write the month and the day, what comes next? Right here. Yep, your cute little comma, comma. So you can make your sideways smile right there for your comma. And then finally we have our year. That's right. And we are in the year of 2020. That's right. First number in 2020 is a 2. That's right. So you can curve around and slide to the right for your first 2. After the 2 comes a 0. That's right. Touch your top and bottom for your 0. Next, you have to make another 2. Yep. So curve around, slide to the right on the bottom. And finally, last number in 2020 is another 0. That's right. All right. That means it's time to announce it, so you can grab your microphone or your marker or whatever you want to use. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 7th, 2020. Very good, 5K. You can now take a look at the number line for our days in school. So far, we've had 28 days, which makes today what comes after 28. Do you know what comes after 28? Yeah, a 29. What two numbers make up 29? First a 2 and then a 9. 2 and a 9 makes 29. So that means that I have to color in our 29th day in school cube. So I will do that now quickly. "29 blue squares for 29 days of school," which also means we can now put our 29th cube on our towers. So with the chimney up, which one does it go on? If these are our towers so far. Yep, it has to go on this one because these 2 towers are already full. They already have groups of 10. So it's going to go chimney up on this one that's counting our ones place. So we have two groups of 10 and 9 ones in our one tower. Look, they're almost the same. Tomorrow we're going to have 3 full towers of 10. But today we have 2 full towers of 10 and 9 ones. So let's write that in our tens and ones chart. We have a 2 in our tens place, 2 full groups of 10 and 29. And how many ones are there in 29? There are 9 ones in 29. So that goes here because O is the first letter in 1. So a circle and a line make the number 9. 29 days in school. All right, let's move on to our pattern. Today, read the first 3 numbers of our pattern today with me. Ready? 3, 8, 4. So next, if that pattern repeats, what would be our next number with 3, 8, 4? Yep, it's going to be a 3. So you can grab your pencil again if you're following along and writing it, and you can make a 3 after that. Halfway around and around again for a 3. What comes next in our pattern? It's going to be an 8, right? After the 3 comes an 8. So to make a crazy 8, you make an S and go back home. Just like that. And for our last number in our pattern, what is the last number? Yep, it's going to be a 4. So to make a 4, down, slide right, and then you cut it in 2. Cut it in half, just like that. So say it again with me just to double check our work, because that's a good thing to do. Ready? 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 4. Good job, 5K. Let's move on to our weather. If you go to the weather outside your window, I'll sing the weather song really quick. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right. I hope that it's a sunny day for you because that's what we're going to put on our graph today. So, where do I put the sunny? Yep, right above our first sunny day. So it goes right here. How many sunny days do we have so far in October? 1, 2, that's right. And who is in the lead still, though, for our 4 types of weather? Who's in the lead? Yep, cloudy has 1 more than sunny so far. So let's move on to our last part, which is shapes. Today, I will add another one too. So let's see if you can recognize the new one and find the new one. Ready? What is this shape? Yep, it's a circle and it has how many sides? 0. Yep. What is this shape? Yep, it's a triangle. It has 3 sides, as you know, and it's a triangle no matter which way you have it, right? No matter which way you turn it, it still has 3 sides, so it's a triangle. What shape is this? Yeah, this is our new one, right? This is a rectangle, which we learned about in math yesterday. This has 4 sides, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another shape that has 4 sides. What other kind of shape has 4 sides? Do you remember the other one that we know? Yeah, it's a square. A square also has 4 sides. But you can see that they're a little bit different because this one, the sides are all the same, and the rectangle has different lengths of the sides. So those two shapes have 4 sides, square and rectangle. So good work today, boys and girls. Work hard in your studies today, and I will see you later.